Right, part B then of question 7. Given that y equals 3/4 x to the third plus 12 over x squared, find the value of dy dx when x equals 8. So we can just simply differentiate, can't we? I've written it here. So let's get everything on ground level to start with, so that we're all on board with this. So we've got 3/4 x to the third plus, and bring the x squared up and flip the index from 2 to -2. And so we've got that. Now we can differentiate. So here, we'll put it here. Do y dx then. The third comes down to be with the 3/4. A third times 3/4, the 3's will cancel, and we'll be left with 1/4. X to the 1 less than a third is -2/3. And then we've got the -2 comes down to be with the plus. 2 12s are 24, plus and a minus is a minus. 24. X to the 1 less than -2 is -3. Let's just tidy that up then. We've got 1/4. 1 over 4 x to the 2/3, so we could write that like so, couldn't we? Bring that down underneath. And then we've got minus 24, and we could drop the x to the -3 underneath and flip the index to a cubed. So either of those is fine. Okay, so now let's input the value then. Find dy dx when x is 8. So at x equals 8 then, dy dx will equal, what have we got? Let's use this one because it's easier to deal with. 1 over 4 times 8 to the power 2/3 minus 24 over 8 cubed. Okay, so we'll have 1 over 4, which is here. 8 to the 2/3. Well, you can think of the power 2/3. It's a power rule, so it's a third squared. What I mean by that is I'll just put it here. In my mind's eye, I see that as a third to the power squared. That's power 2/3, and you can split it up in this way as power u times. So that's this object to the power 2/3. This object is 8 to the third then, which is a 2. So cube root of 8 is 2, and then it's 2 squared. So this value here is 4. So I just wanted to mention that. Just in your mind's eye, you just can note that, and you get 4. 4 times 4 minus. Now one of the 8's here will cancel. So there's an 8 out from there, and I can cross that out and put 2. So we've got 3 over 8 squared, which is 64. So let's just tidy it up just a little bit more then. So we've got equal to 1 over 16. To get to 64ths, we have to times top and bottom by 4. So we'll have 4 64ths, won't we? Because that's 1 over 16 is 4 64ths, minus 3 over 64. So the answer will then be 1 over 64. There we go. That's dy dx when x is 8. Great.